is Jase. I'm building a Sonic the Hedgehog Lego set. I'm really happy that I got it, and I can see it. The box I've kept, it is a 1,125 piece Lego set, and I've also kind of cheated it because I'm only turning 10 this year, but it says 18 plus. Here we go. With the crab and the Krabby Patty. Krabby Patties are way too crabby. This is 2 bags. Well, that's the first one. This is the second one. But the first one also contains these. Well, the first one only contains the red emerald. Second one contains the purple. You're supposed to put it on that. Well, I should have eaten more, but it was a better idea to keep eating later. So I wouldn't have to eat tomorrow. Because it is 8:01. The loop-de-loop has been finished. Bag 4, we have a beetle robot now. That is bag 4, one of the last bags. There's just bag 5 and 6. Normally, bag 5 is just for extra, so. Those extras, which were that, and that, and of course that, were all part of bag 5. And now, this is bag 6. And I'm willing to prove you that I could do the entire last bit without the constructions.
Without the instruction book?
Okay,
all right.
Let's start. This is half of bag 6 and I still haven't used the instructions. Haha. You probably thought that I wouldn't actually be able to. I'm just gotta build Eggman now. Let's go. What kind of kids need to go to school the most? Clue, this is a Halloween joke. The no-brainers. That is the full Lego set. I did the whole bag 6 with, it's still over there, so no instructions. 2. I don't know how long this took me, but it's 9:28 right now, too. It's surprising how much pieces Eggman takes, or that this or that takes, instead of counting how much Sonic takes. That is the end of the video. It's surprising how much Eggman takes, or that one is counting to Sonic the Hedgehog. Sonic takes 4 pieces, while the crab takes 32, the ladybug takes 42, and Eggman takes 87 pieces. All those together are, well, let's see, 32 plus 42 equals 74. 74 plus 87 equals 165, I think. And then 165 plus 3 equals 168. So 168 pieces are just Eggman, the ladybug, Sonic, and the crab. It's cool too. I'm pretty sure this, I can't tell which bag had the least pieces. I can't tell between either bag 5 or bag 1. Bag 1 was the palm tree and that part around it, except for that black line. The black one was in 5. And then 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and 5. Don't forget to like and subscribe.